Welcome back. So we received yet another question. Hey Michael, what payment methods does Billwerk Payment support? So we support around 50 different payment methods. This is super important for our merchants because it makes it possible for them to expand into new markets and appear as a local merchant, and thus that bringing trust to the consumers. So the list of the payment methods we support. We support Visa, we support Visa Debit, we support Visa Electron, MasterCard Debit, Maestro, JCB, Amex, UnionPay, Diners Club, Dankort, Forbrugsforening, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Mobile Pay Online, Mobile Pay Subscription, Swish, Vips, Vips Subscription, Blik, PayPal, Santander, Viabil, Ressourcebank, Anyday, Klarna Pay Now, Klarna Direct Debit, Klarna Direct Bank, Finnish Banking, SEPA Direct Banking, Bank Contact, Ideal, GiroPay, P24, Virtual IBAN, EPS, Estonian banks, MBWay, Multibanco, Latvian banks, Lithuanian banks, PayConfig, PostFinance, Satispay, Trustly, MyBank, WeChat Pay, PaySafeCard, and PayZero. You'll always find the updated list on our website, and we often add new payment methods, so check it out online.